Finally, today I released just a brand new free indicator, smart money concept, zones. And today I would like to show you the data and how you can use it on a charts. VeChain. VeChain, I think in May will perform pretty good one. Will be one of the, not the top gainers, but like you can see, even the Babylon pump at 70% a day. So it's big profit. It's big profit, guys, because if somebody think, oh, it's not enough, just trade with the leverage, but with proper money management. So imagine that 100% in 1 week with the 5x leverage. 5x is not the big leverage, it's 500% your deposit. So it's a huge profit, guys. That's why on the markets, everything depends not about the pump and dumps like 10x, 100x, 50x or something. It depends of size of your initial deposit. Unfortunately, it's a fact what the traders don't want to tell you. So yes, the capital and the size of initial deposit really matter. And you will see on the charts in total different way. When you understand the 50%, the 100%, the 300% for the altcoins, it's amazing gains. All right, EMA, guys. EMA, I think we will go to test in May. It's hard to talk about a timing, but we're not diving once again for the global targets for the VeChain because a lot of people complain. So this is a totally that project. I truly believe, not because I'm a hold this talking, no, just because it's a pure speculation like any other one. And I think in May we will see the 1 cent 49. It's a test of 50 EMA and maybe even the 2 cents 05. So it's a weekly time frame EMAs, the closed one. 1 cents 45 and the 2 cents. 2 cents is going to be the like round number, for that one. Now we can turn on the smart money concept indicator and find the first zone of interest. It's a fair value gap. So this indicator is showing us the fair value gaps, order blocks, break of structure, bearish run. Now, yes, we broke the structure down. So looks like it's a bearish structure. But if we go in directly now to this fair value gap on the weekly and close at least 50%, the road can be open to the break of structure. And here we're going to see the bullish structure, both break of structure and the test of 50 EMA. After that, yes, the road can be open to the 200. Daily. On a daily time frame, we can take a look here. It was a bearish break of structure. Now we consolidate around the 50 EMA on a daily. The road is open once again to 0.209 and the 1 cent round number to close the daily gap. Let's turn off the order blocks and the fair value gap. Let's turn on the fair value gap and the balls and show the order blocks and liquidity. Order blocks on the weekly. Do we have some here? Close the one. No. Well, time frame maybe. This one. Still no. Or time frame. This one. So like you can see, this order block playing out like support. I use the order blocks and created this indicator with the order blocks by body candle, not by wicks. And take a look how the price respect the level. That's why now, until we trade just in consolidation, this order block, it's a bullish one support wallet. If we break this order block, a full field, the road unfortunately can be even lower to the 0.206. At this current moment, we're in the uptrend, right? What I don't like this liquidity. This one. So this is a bearish liquidity. What we can't come back and sweep it. That's why the longer we trade in tiny range, it can be even like this one. After that, can be impulse down, grab liquidity, and go higher. That's why it's up to you to open long now or wait, because with the second leverage from now, it's 8% stop loss, around 9, right? But better, of course, open the long around here. So reduce the risk. The 0.20669, it's for me personally, it's going to be the better option to open trade. On 12 time frame, the stop loss of 3%, 3, so 6, around 7% with the second leverage. And the target, it's the weekly 50 EMA. Perfect. Daily time frame, let's hide this one. Daily time frame, nothing. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like you can see, this is order blocks and liquidity. So also this liquidity on a 1 hour time frame now can play now like a bullish target. That's why I highly recommend you guys. Link will be under the description below for this smart money concept indicator, totally for free. Just open the link, press the star, add to your favorites, and use it totally for free. Let's determine the updates with other indicators. Take profit, guys. Take profit. We trade in just in the sideways. So it's just a boring market when we trade just without impulses. But I truly believe by next 2 weeks before the Donald Trump and CCP meeting, we will see the performance of the altcoins. The buy line now for the VeChain on the daily, we already retested here in February 28. It's 0.2048. I don't think so. We will drop lower. I don't think so. But we can. We can. So for the spot, this is it. For the futures, I showed you the zone of interest. Weekly time frame, guys, we saw underrated. Here, you remember that 1 cent 15. It's a test fundamental value below. Buy line test below. It's 1 cent 54. Take profit 3 cents. So all targets relevant. That's why now we're in the middle. For the futures, I better wait the sweep of the liquidity on 4 hour time frame to reduce the risk. ADZ direction, guys. What we can see here. This is a neutral zone on ADZ on the 12 time frame. Neutral zone on direction. Neutral zone on daily on ADZ. So not bullish, not bearish. So now I'm skip. Now I'm skip because I don't see the setup, for the entry. I wait at least the sweep of liquidity on 4 hour time frame. Maybe after that I open the trade. Now I'm not. If I better skip the trade, then just see the stop loss. That's why now I'm without a position. Direction, no signals to buy. Market smooth, money power. This is still no euphoria. This is just a basic positive in the market. No money inflow. Last money inflow was here in March. Let's add alerts to the money inflow on the daily. So for me, it will be the confirmation of the uptrend. 12 time frame also no money inflow. No money inflow. So nothing. And the last one is trade on. Trade on buy, recommendation close position on 12 time frame, no signals to sell yet. So daily buy relevant, recommendation close position. So like you can see, if you trade it, like a classic charts, we build a triangle. So the best option personally for me, it's a drop, grab liquidity at 6.9 out of this hypothetical trend line. And after that, going higher. So until we trade, the volatility will be tighter. And it can be the danger trade because we can go in any direction. But I think we go higher to the weekly 50 EMA and the fundamental value on the weekly time frame line. I hope you like this video. Wrap this in a comment what you think about VeChain. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show on this video is right in the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.